So today is treasure hunt, open response day 2. We are still going to be doing the same things that we were doing the previous day, making sense of the problem, persevering, reasoning through the problem with tables and graphs and whatever it is that we need, and we're going to use what we know about volume to solve real world problems. But here's the key, folks. Revise and edit. So now is the time for you to make this the best answer possible. So, as a reminder, our problem yesterday was titled A Treasure Hunt. And we had the girl named Miriam that was trapped in this particular box that was beginning to fill with water. And the walls were closing in, people. That means that the water level was rising. And they gave us some diagrams to kind of show us what was happening. So in the first question, you were supposed to figure out the appropriate height of the water. So to the right, they gave you the pictures. They showed you where it was in 10 minutes. And you were supposed to figure out what that height was for that particular time in the moment. And then number 2, you had to figure out where she was going to be, how long was it going to take for her to get at a level where she could reach the trap door that was at the top of this particular trap. All right, so again, I want you to take a look at your answers, look at your wording, your equations if you use some. Check your math. Make sure that everything is correct. Is there anything that you need to elaborate on or explain better than you did previously? Pretend that no one knows anything about what you did. Could they pick up your paper and figure out exactly what you're talking about? So that's the key, friends. Make sure that your answer is precise, accurate, and to the point. So take what you know about calculating volume once again and use it to solve the real life problem. And you're going back over all of that work that you did previously and seeing how you can make it better. Until next time.